Come here, bird. You can't beat me. You can't fly. You can't fly.
I wouldn't touch it.
Probably.
I'll record it.
What you gonna do, bird?
We're going to hop away.
You can't get away from me. No, you can't. Oh, come on. Got some good footage here. Yeah, I'm recording you. What are you looking at? Oh. Oh. Seriously, biting some. What are you gonna do about it? You can't do anything. Huh? I need to touch it. Don't grab it. We'll surround it. Put your legs around it.
I don't know why it's not flying
Alright,
away.
alright. I'm gonna pet it. I need to touch you.
Probably get sweet food from it.
Yeah, I'll wash my hands, I don't care. Can I pet you? You like fly away? I don't know. You're on camera. You're on camera. You can't get away from me. There's another one. Oh, they're all coming now. What you doing? I'll touch you. Told you I'll do it. I touched him! I touched him! I'm gonna die now.
Maybe you got bird flu.
This is my new pet. You my new pet? Say yeah. I need to record. Oh, stay. Stay.
There's old people stopped and were like, what's that guy doing?
He's a bird whisperer. I'm gonna touch you again. Pet. This is the coolest thing ever. This doesn't happen every day.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta remember this. Where are you going? Don't go into that grass. I can't get you in there. I'll get you out of there. Ah, get out! Get out! You get out of there. Get out of there. You can't get away. You can't climb that tree. You're not allowed. Go.
Wait, it's actually climbing.
It tried to. Okay, buddy. Come with us. See? Trying to climb the tree. Hey, stay.
This is rare unseen footage.
Oh, he can fly just like a couple feet. Pet. Ah!
Oh no,
Ah!
it's attacking you.
Ah! Oh no! You see this?
Oh no, it's gonna get run over.
Oh jeez. Gotta get off the road. Go, come on. I'm trying to save your life.
It's so funny how
Off the road. Cars on the road, buddy. Alright, now come here. Other way. Don't go in there. No. No? Damn it. Come on, don't go in there. See? You can't. I'm not gonna let you. Turn around. What are you gonna do about it? It's like, what the hell do I do? No! Ah!
did it like attack you?
I think so. Try to get over my arm. Alright. That's enough footage for today.